हेलो गाइस, आज का वीडियो में हम जो करने वाले हैं, आज हम बेगस क्राइम सिमुलेटर एक गेम है, उस गेम का नाम है बेगस क्राइम सिमुलेटर एंड टुडे वी आर प्लेइंग बेगस क्राइम सिमुलेटर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. Today I am thinking to talk in English. Okay guys, let's start a video. So today's video is about how to get tank or helicopter in Vegas Crime Simulator. First of all, you have to take the cycle which is here. I have some weapons also. So you have to take this cycle as I am taking, means this bike. You have to take first of all, then take a round, then go while here traveling, then go right side, then go just straight, then right side, then go straight and straight and straight, then go right side, then go straight, then go left side. Then you will find a bridge. The bridge is here. Oh no, I missed the bridge. I'm leaving this cycle. Now you have to cross the bridge, across the bridge. And friends, one more thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you forget to subscribe my channel, then it is a big mistake for you. I will entertain you. For these days I will make videos in English, not in Hindi. Okay guys, for these days. I have to cross the bridge. I am crossing the bridge by walking. This is not good. Crossing the bridge by walking. It will take time. 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 Oh. So let's go. Now we are gonna catch a car now. Oh no, the car just got. Oh no, another car. This time I will catch it. Oh no, another. Here is a car. We will gonna to catch this car. We catch this car and we took this car and we are going. We are crossing the bridge with this car. Okay, guys. And also don't forget to subscribe KK Gaming, KK Clash Gaming. Okay guys. And also I'm going to tell you that when you will come here, then go to light side, then enter here, then come out from here. Okay guys. And you will find here tank and there helicopter. I'm taking the tank instead of helicopter. So let's go. So here is the guy with his car. Guys, so let's go from here. Now you have to drive the tank. Oh no, what's happening guys? Oh, what's happening? Now we got the tank and now you can play with the tank and no one can do anything to the tank. Yes guys, nothing can do any harm to the tank, and tank is anything that nothing can do any harm to this. Okay, so let's go out in a bus. Now when you will go out, when you will go here and you will go here, then see if any car just hits your tank, then it will be burst automatically if you have a full speed all some days. See, these these bike got busted and this car got busted too. And you will see a police is just chasing me. This car got busted too. The police are there chasing me. I'll do 5 crimes. If you see in the top, there are 2 crimes, 2 stars I have made. Total, police are just chasing me behind. Oh no, this goes. There is a police car if you see. Oh no, busted out that police car. Gives me trouble. So guys, thanks for seeing the video very much. Those guys who saw the video till the end, I tell them very thanks. And also don't forget please to subscribe. Subscribing is the main duty for you, so please subscribe also. Okay guys, see you in my next episode. Before that, we are going to buy some more police cars. So bye bye guys, see you in my next episode. Bye bye.